Today let's learn the 4 obligations of wudu.
First, wash the entire face. Second, wash the arms including the elbows. Third, wipe the head. Fourth, wash the feet including the ankles. These are the 4 obligations of wudu.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this one video. In this video, I will explain to you how to create 3D cartoon for the kids and free of cost. In this video, I will explain to you how to create the 3D cartoon for the kids with the help of FineVoice AI application. Which one application? Come to the laptop and you can see this is the master prompt. I have created this master prompt with the help of ChatGPT. This master prompt consists 9 questions. You can create any type of cartoon for the kids with the help of this master prompt. This master prompt is very helpful for creation the 3D cartoon. You can see here, this is the summary how to create the 3D cartoon with the help of these 5 application, and we can create the 3D cartoon with the help of these 5 application. This is the summary of this video or how to create the 3D cartoon. You can see here, first of all, you should give the master prompt to the ChatGPT application. ChatGPT will create the image prompt as well as video prompt with the help of master prompt. After creation the image prompt and video prompt, then open the Google Flow AI power tool and we will create the image with the help of Google Flow by giving the image prompt. Then we will create the video with the help of Vheer AI power tool by giving the video prompt. After creation image prompt and video prompt, the volume of the video created by the Vheer AI power tool have no sound. How to add the sound with your video? You can use FineVoice.ai power tool. Open FineVoice.ai in the Google Chrome. We can easily create the sound with the help of FineVoice.ai. We will combine all videos and sound with the help of CapCut application. Open the CapCut application and combine the sound as well as video with the help of CapCut application. Export our video and we can download. We will download the video with the help of CapCut application. In the future, I will show you the practically methods how to create the 3D cartoon for the kids with the help of these 5 applications. So if you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.